Ronnie Riverkeeper here on the Withlacoochee River. On the Withlacoochee River, downstream from Sugar Creek, we put in at the railroad trestle. I think Phil Hubbard is now satisfied with his chunks. Yep, I saw that one, but as usual, there's no pictures or videos, so nobody will believe that part. Actually, Phil couldn't be satisfied till he sawed up all of it. Here's the other railroad trestle. We went this far.
Yeah, there's a clog down there that we worked on.
Right.
And it's getting complete.
Might want to tune this one a little bit. That's called dropping it in the boat's called doing a fill. We will consider what else we want to do up there when we come back.